Welcome to the demo of snack vending machine SC3000A. This 3000A has got a note acceptor to insert notes, a selection keypad to select products, an LCD for product selection, and a coin acceptor to insert coins, as well as a coin collection outlet for collecting the balance change. And this is a product collection outlet where the product falls into this box and it can be collected by the user. Now we are going to show a demonstration by selecting a product and buying the same through the machine. Product number 11 is selected. 11 is basically a kurkure, which is a 10 rupee packet. The 10 rupee note is being inserted into this machine. Once that is done, product 10 is, and the product falls into this tray. Product is collected out. Now we are going to select another product and then vend it out. And there is a freebie. Supposing you buy product 11, you can also get a freebie, set it as a freebie and dispense product 12. This is a special feature of this machine. Now we can look into dispensing other products as well, including the bottles as well as the tetra packs and mini and the standard canned products. We are selecting product number 24, which is a fruit product, and the product is we are inserting a 10 rupee coin also into this in addition to note, and the product falls down into this, which can be collected from below, and it is a cold and it is at the drinkable temperature. The temperature can go down up to 8 degrees, or for dairy products we can even set it up to 4 degrees. We will show a selection of vending of a tetra pack. So which is basically we have selected product number 32. You can see product number 32 is Be Natural. Amount is put and change also will be coming in. So he is inserting, it asks for 5 rupees balance, so we are inserting a 10 rupee note into that. Product number 32 falls into this, and change is given. Change is collected, as you could see. 2 rupees and 1 rupee has been dispensed out by the machine, and the product brick is collected here. Okay, we will now vend a Coke can, and then select it. It is, the price is 40 rupees, 25 rupees. Product number 40. We are inserting a 10 rupee coin and another 10 rupee note and another exact amount of 5 rupee coin. The product is dispensed out, and here it is. This is how this machine operates. Thanks for watching the video of our automatic snack vending machine.